now tuned into the greatest. Turn the music up in the headphones.
What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We will just get right to the point because I know Beyonce fans is not about to play. This drop was not the best. And I'm saying that because Adidas and Ivy Park, obviously Adidas knew that with a person like Beyonce and her fan base that the drop is gonna be wild. So for a lot of Beyonce fans, they were kind of frustrated. I thought the queue system to get people onto the site, they put that up so everybody, it just doesn't flood the site and then the site shuts down and nobody gets to buy any. So they do it, but it took entirely too long. I was on there 15 minutes before the release and probably didn't check out of my first item for about 50 minutes after the release was supposed to start. But copping I think was somewhat simple. If you just, a lot of it, to be honest, a lot of it's not even a mystery. A lot of it was having patience because you had to sit there for that long. But for the people that don't usually cop on Adidas, there's a couple different ways. It comes in this all white sleeve that has nothing on it. Adidas, you could do better than that. White box has kind of like the weird looking stripes on it, and then another opening kind of gives you a little Jordan 11 vibes. Slide out, and we got the Ivy Park Night Jogger. The one thing about this shoe, it looks nice and it looks like, okay, like kind of like flashy. It's kind of like a different vibe to it. It's all like running inspired. Ivy Park obviously workout and all that type of stuff. But the fact they chose the Night Jogger style of shoe, out of all the shoes, Night Jogger. Bro, every time they drop a Night Jogger, it like immediately goes on clearance. So the fact that they gave that to Ivy Park, I don't know what to make of, but that's kind of dope though. Like, that's kind of dope. Me back in the day would like try to keep this hanging somehow. I don't know how I would do it because it would be way on the ground. But back in the day, obviously I only got these for fam. But yeah. So yeah, Night Jogger. I'm pretty sure it has reflective material. So like if you're jogging at night, obviously you kind of light up so nobody just doesn't freaking run you over. And the material has it's a bunch of different materials on the upper. It's super lightweight. I don't know why the tongue is like paper, but it's a nice shoe. You can tell they put a lot into this, and the different materials they used, kind of that like suede and yeah, cool lace pattern and all that type stuff. But yeah, so yeah, copping on Adidas really, it was a lot of patience. Adidas kind of gets tricky once you do actually cart the item. It's better to log in to an account, so if you have an account, everything can pop up, because sometimes it doesn't allow you to check out, and a lot of people I saw on Twitter were having this problem. It doesn't allow you to check out. So what you do, you can open up a couple different tabs. You can open up incognito tabs and log in and just keep trying to check out different ways. That's pretty much, and they're not like Finish Line, so it doesn't charge you a million times. It just says, nah bro, not working. So yeah, but other than that, it's literally just patience. Just sit there. I know there's probably more Ivy Park stuff on the way. If they pull out with a Kanye collab, let me get a Kanye Ivy Park Yeezy, bro. Let me do it, because boy, it'll be wild. It'll be wild. It'll get hectic in the streets. That's about it. Just have patience. I don't know if people even tried foot size, but I know everybody wanted Adidas, but hey. So like, share, subscribe, do all of that. Go watch some of the previous videos. Yeah, it's been a while, but hey, we're here.